Hey guys, Glenn here. Okay, doing a video here real quick about my sewer system. All right, so here I'm been at the campground now for about 3 weeks, leaving in a week, so we're here for a month. Let me show you what the setup looks like real close. All right, so here is their pipe coming out of the ground. Oops, sorry about that. Here's the pipe coming out of the ground, and my measuring tape shows from the bottom edge, which is that 3-inch edge, up to the top. It's about 5.5 inches, say close to 6. So call it 6 inches, right? Is what comes up out of the ground. And here's the setup I'm using. I have a regular sewer hose right here, right, coming all the way back. And then you get back here, and I transition into these clear Camco pipes that I bought. And I counted how many I need to finish. I need 15 more pieces of clear pipe to get it down, or less if I eliminate these shorter pieces, because they come in 9s like this. Then they also come in a 7-inch pipe. I believe that's the 7-inch. That one's a 3-inch, and I've got a 5-inch here somewhere. So if I eliminate the 7-inch, I could probably get less of the 9-inch to get what I need down to the other end. As you can see, a little bit of water right here, not bad. Just a little bit. It's dry right here. So the problem with this regular sewer hose is all the ribs that are in this thing, it's all ribbed all the way along, and your toilet paper ends up getting caught, and as well as pieces of, what you're flushing along with the toilet paper ends up getting caught, and it causes a backup and it won't move. Now I measured here, let me grab my measuring tape for you guys. And let me take this back down to the back end. Now I'm in a Rockwood HW296 dual axle pop-up, just so you know. And let me go ahead and pull this tape out. Okay, so let me get under here and I'll show you how high my sewerage is off the ground. Now you saw there's a sticking out about 6 inches. All right, so if you look right there, it looks like about 10 inches to the bottom of my exit to my sewerage, to my toilet. And so it's about a 4-inch difference. So here it is coming out of the underneath of the trailer, comes down to a 90-degree, and then I have to have this connection right here, which goes all the way under there. That's my sink drain connection. And what I plan on doing is I'm going to take this pipe right here, which I left open, don't know why, because I don't want anything getting inside of that. I'm going to end up taking this off of here. And then what I'm going to do is, I know the stabilizer jack's kind of in the way, but I'd like to somehow run, I'm going to get a new valve to put under there that's going to be both dual for the sewer and for the black and the gray water. And then if I can somehow miss that jack that's back there, I want to connect up the sink into the same pipe here, so that when we go to empty the black water, I can close off the sink drain and just pull the black and it drains into the same place. Then I can eliminate this right here. I'll take that out. Then it's just this solid clear pipe all the way down. Now I know it seems kind of expensive. I'm paying like, well, normally it's like 20 something per 9-inch pipe. And then the smaller ones are less money, obviously. And right now I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 of the 9-inch pipe, and then there's a couple of stragglers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got about 5 of the shorter pipe. So I'm going to replace those with 9s. So maybe I'll get 10 and see where that gets me. I'm just trying to eliminate this altogether. Once I do that, like, you know, if I took a walk around the campground and showed you a lot of the permanent trails that are here, they've got solid PVC pipe. But when I store these pipes, after I wash them out, and I've got a tool for that, connect to the hose, and I can rinse all these pipes out till they're clean. Right here in my push out, right between here and here, is open space. And that's where I store them. And I think once I get all the ones that I need, I'm going to get a bag to put them in, to keep them in, and I can store them right inside of here. And that'll be great, because then that way, you know, if I was to buy a length of PVC pipe, I'll tell you what I need all together. And okay, I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so just have to bear with me for a minute. Okay, so from down there where it comes out, I would need a length of about 64 inches, which is 5 feet, about 5 feet 4 inches. And then let me just set this down for a second. All right, I'm going to come down the other end here. I'll tell you the length I'd need. So that was 5 feet 4 inches, and then get a rough estimate here. I'll do it off of something that I can connect my measuring tape to. It'll stop bending on me. All right, let me just see if I can hook this to this here somewhere. I'm just going to hook it to this. That'll be off by about 3 or 4 inches. Okay. And I'm just going to walk down all the way. All right. So where my camper is currently parked right now, okay, so we're looking at about 190 inches, which is actually 13 feet 10 inches. So 13 feet 10 inches, so 13 and 5, that's 18. So we'll call it like 20 feet, right? Where am I going to store a 20-foot piece of PVC pipe? It's not going to fit in here. It won't fit in the back of my truck. I could, you know, maybe strap it to the roof, but I got nothing else. I don't have the racks, or the roof racks up there, so I can't do that. Don't know where I would do it. So yeah, like I said, 20 bucks. When they're on sale, they're 18, I think. So, you know, I've got 9 straight pipe right now, and I need another 15. So, well, that's what I counted, but not counted because I got those other shorter ones in there. If I take those out, I might need less. So we'll just leave it at 15. I'm going to get 15 more 9-inch pieces of clear pipe, and they all connect together individually. I have an easier time. I can store those right inside of there. And if I can't get them out here, which I know I can't because I already do it, but if I need to, I can get to it from the inside. Then I can set everything up. And then, of course, I bought these nice Camco sewer supports, which are working great. It comes in a 6-pack for $100 basically. It was like 92 and some change, I think. I think they were on sale or something. They're normally just under 100. So I'm going to work on getting this set up so that once I have just the clear pipe, there's no way for that water to get obstructed getting down to the other end. And I'm going to talk to the owner about the pipe coming so far out of the ground, and, you know, see if it's required by law up here. I don't know if there's any laws governing how far that has to come out of the ground, because I think looking right here, this is probably either screwed or glued to that middle piece of pipe which goes into the ground. If that's screwed, and if I could take that off and remove this, and then just take my thing and screw it down in here, I'd have no problem with the water dropping in. That would be the ultimate. Then it would be no problem. Then the water would just keep flowing all the time once I get the clear pipe. But let me get the rest of the clear pipe, and I will let you guys, I'll update another video. Probably won't be till next year, but when I'm up here again, when I get it all set up, I'll get the clear pipe that I need to finish this. And then next year, you guys will be able to see an updated video. It just needs to, as long as the pipe coming out of here is tipping slightly just at a 1% slope all the way down there, I should be able to get this thing to just drop into the hole in the ground. Even if it just slowly runs into the hole down in the ground and going, as long as it's moving that way in just a little bit, even if it takes overnight for it to completely empty, that's fine. As long as it's not backing up, because it won't back up if it's just, you know, down the other end, it's just slightly constantly running water going off the end slowly. There's no way it can back up here and go any further because it's always going to run out that other end. So I'll figure it out, and I will let you guys know what happens, and we'll go from there. So yeah, we'll see what happens, but that's my, I know it's expensive, but, you know, I'm doing a little bit at a time. I'm buying, you know, I usually buy like a pipe a month, so $20 a month, right? Think of how many times you spent money on something and you threw it away because it was garbage, right? This is not something I'm going to throw away. I'm not going to throw the pipe away. It's just going to be a one-time expense once I'm done. So if it cost me, I think I figured out it was like another, I think $200 to buy the rest of the pipe. It'll be $200 well spent on a pop-up because, you know, where we're camping up here in Maine for a month, I want something I don't have to come outside and lift up the hose to get it to drain down in. If I can get this to slowly even drain down the other end and constantly have a waterfall coming out into the, it doesn't have to be a fantastic flow, as long as it's constantly got water running in, as long as it's not just dripping, as long as it's a solid flow, I'll be happy, and then we'll be good. So, all right, guys, I'll update when I get it done, which won't be till next year. You guys will see another updated video from me showing how well this works. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my page, make sure you subscribe. If you like, make sure you like the video if you like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Don't matter to me. I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, see you, everybody.